Hello students, so in this video we are going to learn chapter 2 of NCERT class 6 from hunting, gathering to growing food. So the people who lived in the subcontinent 2 million years ago were referred as the hunter-gatherers. They used to hunt wild animals, fishes, birds and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, etc. So the hunter gatherers used to live a nomadic life. Nomadic life means who used to roam from one place to another in search of food. Okay, so there are three main reasons to explain the nomadic life. The first one is they would go to the place where fruits, animals are available, live there, and after completing all the eatables in that area, then they used to go to another place. The second reason is they used to follow the movement of animals for hunting. And the third reason is they used to go from one place to another due to the seasonal changes. So all these are the main reasons for the nomadic life of the hunter gatherers. So here the hunter and gatherers lived around 2 million years ago. So they used to live on the banks of river, and in dry seasons they used to go in search of water. So they use tools that are made up of stones, wood and bones. Okay, now look at the map here. The sites of Paleolithic, megalithic, neolithic and early villages, modern cities are given in this map. So here the Paleolithic sites are nothing but paleo means old and lithic means stone. So it is Paleolithic site means old Stone Age sites. Neolithic is neo means new and lithic means stone. So new Stone Age. Megalithic means mega means big and lithic is stone. So wherever the burial sites are there, the people used to lay very big stones around that area to mark it as a burial site. So as they laid very big stones near the burial ground, they called it megalithic sites. Okay, in this map they gave all the important sites of Paleolithic, Neolithic and megalithic sites. So the Paleolithic sites are Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Karnool caves in Andhra Pradesh, Hunji in Karnataka, and the Neolithic sites are Burzahom in Jammu and Kashmir, Mehergarh in Pakistan, Chirand in Bihar, Daojali Hading in Assam, Koldiva in Uttar Pradesh, Mahagara in Uttar Pradesh, Halur in Karnataka and Payampalli in Tamil Nadu. So these are the Neolithic sites. The blue color marked ones are the Neolithic sites, the red one marked are the Paleolithic sites. And coming to the megalithic sites are nothing but the burial grounds. So they are, few of them are Brahmagiri. This is located in Karnataka, and next is Adichanallur. It is located in Tamil Nadu. So the early village sites mentioned here is Inamgone. So it is in Madhya Pradesh. So now look at the picture over here. This one is a Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh. So these are rock shelters to protect from heat, rain and cold. People choose these rock shelters to live. So these Bhimbetka caves are close to the Narmada Valley. So there are many cave shelters found in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. So early people painted the cave walls showing wild animals and their drawings with great accuracy. So even in Bhimbetka caves they painted elephant-like structures, human beings and all. So they painted with great accuracy and skill. So in the Karnool caves, archaeologists have found the remains of ash like substance, which states that early people were familiar with the usage of fire. Okay, so they may had been used the fire as a source of light, or they might used it to roast the meat, or they might also used it to scare animals away. So Paleolithic period was from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago, and Mesolithic period was from 12,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago, and Neolithic period is from 10,000 years ago. So here Paleolithic means old stone age, Mesolithic means middle stone age, and Neolithic means new stone age. So Paleolithic time period is from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. Mesolithic time period is from 12,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago, and Neolithic period is from about 10,000 years ago. So here around 12,000 years ago there was great environmental and climatic change. The weather has turned very hot, and due to that increase in the temperature, several animals, grasslands have grown. So first grasslands have grown. After grasslands came several grass eating animals started originating, and from that the complete ecosystem was built in a systematic manner. And after that people have learned to do agriculture, and then they started domesticating animals, and then a settled life has begun for humans. So the evolution of human beings has started from 12,000 years ago due to the change in the climatic conditions. Now here, so next one is yes, here we have to learn about one important place called Burzahom. So Burzahom is a Neolithic site. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. So here in Burzahom, the archaeologists found pit houses here. Look at the pictures over here. All these are the Burzahom sites, the pit houses. They used to go and live underground to protect themselves from cold. Okay, so sometimes they used to cook inside these pit houses as well as outside the pit houses. Okay, so the evidences are present inside and outside, because due to the temperature changes, if it is very cold then they used to cook inside, they used to live inside, and if there is like the temperature is normal, they used to come out and they used to cook there. So evidences of cooking are found inside and outside the Burzahom pit houses. In Neolithic period, people used finely polished tools. So they began using pots for cooking food. They also began weaving clothes. So the changes of lifestyle is not same everywhere, but slowly at some period of time everybody changed from Paleolithic to Meso, and then from Neolithic. So it took few millions of years to reach from Paleolithic to the Neolithic age. So here another important Neolithic site is the Mehergarh. So it is located in Pakistan near the Bolan Pass. So it is one of the earliest village. So in this area the dead person was buried with goats. See, you can see in this figure the dead person was buried with goats. So from this the archaeologist came to a conclusion that people believed in the life after death. So burying goats with a dead person means serving food for the persons in the next world. So they believed in the life after death concept. So this is about the second lesson. So let's Look into the questions here. So hunter gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelters because they want to protect themselves from heat, rain and cold. So due to the climatic reasons, they lived in caves and rock shelters. Next is grasslands developed around. So the grasslands developed around 12,000 years ago, and from that point of from that period of time, the grass-eating animals has evolved. People started agriculture. People started domesticating animals, and all this lifestyle, a settled way of lifestyle, has begun. So this is about the second lesson. Thank you for watching.